What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be talking about batteries and how to keep them in good condition. So as a lot of you guys know, I have a CTEK 7002, which I really love. It's great because it not only provides battery power for the M3 sitting for more than a few days, but it also cycles the battery. That is what I use to primarily, when the car is parked here, I hook it up to the CTEK 7002 and I'm ready to go. Star Show is not gonna be that. That's very self-explanatory. Definitely recommend it. Link is in the description. But we're gonna be talking about a little product today, doing a little review, intro, and thoughts on this thing. It's a jump starter. Normally, I don't have an issue with my cars dying, except for the Jeep did die like a couple of days ago because I haven't driven it in quite some time. So we're gonna be talking about a jump starter. So if you're out, this is something that you're going to be keeping in your vehicle in case your battery dies or you leave your lights on or something happens where your battery's dead. It provides battery power for like a cell phone. It has inputs and also has a little flashlight too. So the company Audew is making this video possible. I want to thank them very much. By the way, you guys can save 20% off in the description box below. They do support the channel. They also sent me that dash cam that I did review in a different video. I showed the install, which actually came in handy because Marissa was actually rear-ended in the Jeep a few weeks ago, and I actually got to capture it on dash cam. So here's the footage of that.
No, we did not just get hit. Are you serious right now?
So like I said, big thank you to Audew. It is a company that's not really well known, but maybe they will be someday. So quick little package, nice little package. It's really nice. If you don't think that you're gonna need something like this, honestly, this is a decent gift. I think I might give this to my mom, to be honest with you guys, because I want her to be okay if she's stranded, the battery's dead or something like that. So definitely want your loved ones to be in safe. So here's the package, really self-explanatory. So here's a quick little tour of this device. It has a few little inputs. Here's a USB-C, which does come up with a USB-C cord. So that is how you charge this thing at home. I would presume as long as you do it every few months, this thing will have battery power. So here's a little battery level. And then if the camera would focus, and if you hold it, there's actually an LED that is for obviously seeing at night, which would be helpful. And also if you press it again, it flashes. So you can put that kind of, you know, in your back window if you're in an emergency situation or whatever. And then you just keep pressing until it turns off. So this is the entire package. This is an AC adapter to connect inside. And here is where the jump starter will be put. All right, guys, so a quick little tour of what comes inside. Here is the cell phone connection. So this is USB-C, as well as the input for going right into the device. It's convenient to have, and that's one way that you can charge this is USB-C into an adapter into the wall. Pouch, and also this is what goes in right into the booster device, and then obviously this goes right onto your positive and then the ground, and then you should be good to go. All right, guys, so I know this isn't really a product review channel, but from time to time I do come across things that surprise me or something that I would definitely recommend just from the touch, the feel, and the experience. So obviously I haven't actually used this thing. I don't have a dead battery to test it on, but if I do, I will definitely let you guys know. Judging by the form and the package and everything that it comes with, it seems legit. So if you guys are interested in something like this, now's the time. At least click the link. You can check out the product as well as get that 20% off. I actually don't get anything for that. I don't get a commission for that 20% off. That's literally just a discount code for you guys. But I do get to use this thing and talk about products that I do like. So it's not every day that I'm going to be doing product reviews, but as I mentioned, from time to time, I do think it's helpful to cover something like this because I do have people asking about battery and battery tender and battery boosters and stuff like that, you know, random things about, you know, keeping the batteries in shape, because obviously on the M cars, no one wants to deal with a dead battery because you have to reprogram the car and bring it to BMW and do all these things. It's kind of a pain in the butt. So something like this is nice to have, especially in an emergency. So if you thought this video was helpful and you were interested in this, I appreciate that. Give it a thumbs up. It really does help the channel. Thank you again to Audew, the company that has been supporting my channel for a little bit of time now, as well as sending me new cool things. What's nice, it has a little package, just throw it in your trunk and you're good to go. So thank you guys again for watching, I appreciate it. There will be more quick little reviews of products and impression video. This is really more of an impression and introduction than anything else. So that's all I have to say about this thing. Go check it out and I'll see you guys next time. You guys are just gonna kill me with my sandals, I know.